One of the things I do say is marketing isn't about closing a sale, it's about opening a relationship, and why storytelling is so important. I don't think the corporate workforce still has understood how important a story is. People decide who they're going to work with because of the story around it, because they resonate with the story around it. It's almost intangible. Example, is Taylor Swift that much different than Katy Perry? Both have diehard fans, and they just say, I like that person better. I resonate with her better. If everything was based on how high of a quality person you were skill-wise, that would mean Michael Jordan would be everyone's favorite basketball player. I personally think he's the best of all time. But he's not everyone's favorite player. There are a ton of people who like players who weren't as accomplished as Michael Jordan. When I look at that from a marketing standpoint, I'm like, that's fascinating, because it's not just, I'm the best, I'm the best, I'm the best. Right? Like you said,